Okay, here also we have taken one question. So we are provided with the value of x. X is 2 plus root 3. Then we have to find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, so here we are having x square. So we have to square this both. So just squaring this both. Let x is equal to 2 plus root over 3. Give it as equation number 1. Here we are having x square. So we have to square both the sides. Squaring both the sides. We get. So it will be x square is equal to 2 plus root 3. Here square means here will be whole square. Now we have to write this in the formula of a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square will be a square plus 2ab. So plus 2 into a into b. This dot means into plus b square. B square means root 3 square. So x square comes out to be, you have to give implies that over here. 2 square is 4. 2 to the 4. So it will be 4 root 3 and root 3 square is 3. This implies that x square is equal to 4 plus 3 will be 7 plus 4 root 3. Give this as equation number 1. Okay. Now we have to find 1 by x square. So first of all we will write, okay, giving this as 2 because already used 1. So give it as equation number 2. Now 1 by x square. So what will be 1 by x? 1 by x will be, first of all I will be writing 1 by x. So 1 by, now here you have to write now. 1 by x, 1 by x. X is 2 plus root 3, write here 2 plus root 3. After writing this, we will see that we are having root in the denominator. So we have to rationalize it directly. So what we will do? This will be 2 plus root 3. Rationalize it. Here we will be having 2 positive, so negative. Opposite. Just opposite to it. Here also same thing. 2 minus root 3. Same thing multiplying in numerator and denominator part. So it will be 2 minus root 3 into 1, it will be 2 minus root 3. Here we are having a plus b into a minus b. It will be a square minus b square. Directly you will write 2 square minus root 3 square. So it will be 2 minus root 3. Here 2 square is 4. Root 3 square is 3. 4 minus 3, 1. So 1 by x. This is equal to 2 minus root over 3. Now we are having 1 by x square. Squaring both the sides. Squaring both the sides. What we will get? We get 1 by x whole square. This will be 2 minus root 3 whole square. Further continuing over here. 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1. Here x square is x square. This will be equal to, this is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, what formula we are having? A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. If you remember class 8. And a square will be, this will be 2 square. It will be 2 square, a square minus 2 into a. In place of a we are having 2. B we are having root 3 plus b square. B square we are having root 3 square. This implies 1 by x square is equal to 2 square is 4 minus this is 2 to the 4 root 3 and this will be root 3 square means 3. So ultimately 1 by x square is equal to 4 plus 3. We are having 7 minus 4 root over 3. So we have find out the value of 1 by x square also. Name this as equation number 3. Now what we have to do? We have to add x square and 1 by x square. So we have to add this x square and 1 by x square. So adding equation 2 and 3 we get. Right. Adding equation 2 and 3 we get. So this will be x square plus 1 by x square in the LHS part. In the RHS part we are having x square. In place of x square I will be writing 7 plus 4 root 3. Write 7 plus 4 root over 3. Then positive sign. 1 by x square. In place of 1 by x square we will be having 7 minus 4 root 3. 7 minus 4 root 3. Now plus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 get cancels out. So we are left with 7 plus 7 will be 14. So x square plus 1 by x square comes out to be 14.